So in this love reading, we will going to have love reading. So let's see kung ano pa ba ang nararamdaman ng ex mo sa'yo. Okay. So we will going to channel messages from your person. Let's see the energy first. Before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform and yung ating link, orange up, na nandyan sa ating bio and description box. So, the focus of this energy situations are, yes, faith. So, trust the process of this connection. So, ibig sabihin, kung nasaktan ka din ng taong to, I also hear the justice. Kasi ito ay upright. I also hear kung nagkahiwalay kayo, that is because of fated relationship. Refuge. One of you are still daydreaming about this connection. And I also hear na pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya ay nasa, alam niyo, darkness. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya magko-commit. Pwedeng may loves, they are still single because of the scars. Okay, I hear, my loves, kung nagkasakitan kayo nung iyong ex, they are still carrying that pain, carrying that sabihin nating scars. Kung meron may loves na sabihin nagawa sa'yo na hindi tama, pwedeng right now din ha, they are into refuge or remote place, or sabihin nating hanggang ngayon ay they still carrying that. Okay, yung energy doon sa relationship nyo. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya nagmo-move on, hindi pa siya nagko-commit sa ibang tao. Kasi because of this card, my loves, they are still into dark because of the accumulated scars in this relationship. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, I hear na hindi pa niya nakakalimutan yung relationship ninyo. Kung nasaktan ka niya, my loves, I hear na hanggang ngayon, dala-dala niya yung lesson from this connection. So, the scars are still there. So, hindi ka pa niya nakakalimutan. The accumulated pain in this relationship, nandun pa rin. So, ano ibig sabihin dito sa justice? Kasi pwedeng, my loves, kung nagkasakitan kayo before, until now, they are still single, pwedeng walang may magkagusto sa kanya or wala siya magustuhan, they still into dark, na parang hindi pa niya alam kung gusto niya makipag-relationship ulit. Kasi alam mo yun, kahit sabihin mo na siya ang nanakit or ikaw, andun pa rin yung scars from this relationship. Naiiwan pa rin, well, accumulated pa rin, hindi pa rin niya yun inilelet go. Let's see more confirmation about this relationship. So, may sinira ba siyang trust? Kung oo, justice served. Receiving what you need, pwede din may love sa'yo itong justice na to, or pwedeng sa kanya. Sabi ko nga, kung nagkasakitan kayo, hindi justice eh. So, kung you deserve so much abundance in your life because of the pain na ikinos na relationship na to, justice serve, or pwedeng darating sa'yo yung good karma. Kung siya naman ang nakapanakit, pwedeng dumating sa kanya yung bad karma. So, receiving what you need. So, I also hear dito, merong closure issues na, kumbaga, trying to move on but hindi magawa-gawa. Pwede din my loves right now, pwedeng ikaw as the good karma for you. Pwedeng ikaw makamove on ka na. Oh. So, dito my loves, I hear na pwede my loves, isa sa mga yung justice na naririnig ko is one of you, kung sino man yung deserve ng justice na yun, one of you makaka-move on, one of you is masusurprise sa transformation ng isa't isa. Kasi nandito yung shocking news. Pwede ding may mabalitaan kayo na ikagugulat ng isa't isa. So, kumbaga dito my loves, isa sa mga justice na naririnig ko about this relationship is yung isa sa inyo makaka-move on. Mare-receive yung deserve niya na blessings at makakabalita about these good blessings, about the masusurprise sa transformation ng isa sa inyo. Okay? So, merong malaking shocking news. Oh. So, dito my loves, the decision. Though, dito, di ba sabi ko, accumulated, I hear my loves na one of you, pwedeng ikaw or yung person mo, sabi ko nga, they are still into remote, single, but dito meron ditong energy, they are hooking up, pero alam nyo yun, yung pain or yung scar mula sa'yo ay nandun, but still they trying to hooking up to someone, like string along, pero dito parang kumbaga sa time na to, hindi pa nag-heal yung wounds. Hindi pa nag-heal yung wounds. Let's see more clarifiers. Kasi, separated kayo. One of you trying to move on. One of you are still into that pain. Pero one thing is for sure, gugulatin kayo. Gugulatin kayo, shocking news is coming, pwedeng sa'yo, pwedeng in that person, because of the transformation ng isa sa inyo. Love, unconditional love, self-love, pwede ding may loves dun sa transformation, nandun yung self-love. And eto, the twin flame, mito dito my loves yung twin flame, pwede din my loves na whatever they are trying to commit to somebody, I also hear na meron pa rin talagang connection na nag-uugnay sa inyong dalawa. The relationship is over. So dito my loves, I hear na meron talaga ditong gusto nang mag-move on. The scars, kailangan na talagang burahin yon because of the death card. What dead is dead. Okay? Grow and transform, my loves. So, love yourself first, I also hear. Pero dito, my loves, alam nyo yon, yung parang right now, hindi pa talaga. Pero merong nag-uugnay sa inyong dalawa. So, bago, itong pag-uugnay na to, sabihin na natin, okay, meron kayong connection, your twin flame, pero right now, I hear na no second chances for this relationship because this person is trying to string along to many. Kumbaga, hindi pa ganun ka decided itong person na to commit in this twin flame connection. That's why spirits are telling you to shock them by loving yourself first and moving on. Okay, so let's see, message from this person. Ano bang meron dito to confirm? Bakit niya nagagawa to? Basta, dito din my love sa death card natin, nandiyan yung grow and transform. Kung ito ay merong hooking something, why not stand na issue, my loves, no second chances for this relationship. Okay. Wand. So, full of passion nga. May love, wand kasi is passion. So, meron din talagang nararamdaman to, but eto na, si universe na din talaga yung nagsabi na no second chances for this relationship. Because eto meron kasing kiss on ring. May mga one night stand dito na energy. So, ibig sabihin, unahin mo muna because as of, I'm addicted to you. Okay, so kagaya ulit ng sinabi ko, may scars na talaga itong person na to from this relationship. Pero they are still trying to hook up. That's why spirits are telling you for no second chances for this relationship. So, this is fated. Kailangan mangyari. Justice is there. Diba? Binanggit ko na kanina. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan talaga ma-serve yung lesson for this person. You are beautiful. Why do you need me? Okay, I want you to choose. So, dito may loves, may feelings pa rin itong person na to. May feelings pa rin siya talaga. Pero, andun kasi yung parang hooking up to something. Ayan, pwede din na meron tong naka one night stand habang you are in separation. Pwedeng ganon. Pero parehas kayo dito na maraming option. And dito din sa person na to, gusto ka niya, pero nasa sayo pa rin. Because alam niya alam niyang hindi mo siya deserve. Dito, I want you to choose. Dito, my loves, meron siyang pagkakamali, meron siyang ginawa na parang ang gusto niya piliin mo pa rin siya. But spirits are telling you no second chances for this relationship. This relationship is over. I am becoming a better person. O, diba? May pagkakamali. Meron nga talaga na ano. So, ibig sabihin, fated in this relationship na kailangan muna turuan ng lesson itong person na to para magbago. I will wait for you, a sign from you. So, my loves, kanina, sabi dito, you have to love yourself first because of the self-love and you have to shock them sa transformation. Grow and transform. And I regret lying to you. Confirm, my loves. So, last message from this person. I wish you were mine. So, mas marirealize ng person na to na, kumbaga, gusto ka talaga niya, you deserve, they deserve you. Kung talaga, my loves, ito, magkakaroon ka muna ng self-love, focus sa'yo, wholeness sa iyong sarili, and selfishness pagdating sa iyong sarili. Kasi you have to shock them. You have to grow and transform muna para matulungan yung taong to na ma-realize yung mga pagkakamali niya, magkaroon ng regrets, and to become a better person. So, let's see the final message for this relationship. Illusion. Avoid the trap of mistaking a fantasy for true soul connection. Okay, my loves? Pwede dito lumitaw confirmation sa twin flame. Pwedeng one of you is still trying to convince themselves about the twin flame connection. Pero right now, my loves, I hear na confirmation, you have to end this relationship. Okay? You have to end this relationship. So, right now, hindi pa talaga pwede. Or hindi na talaga pwede. Okay? So, teka, between flame dito, i-confirm nga natin. Kasi, nandito lumitaw na yung illusion. Lumitaw ang illusion. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, if you are trying to still connect or to hold on with this person, kalimutan mo muna yun, my loves. You have to focus on your growth and transformation with this card. Ano ba ibig sabihin dito sa twin flames na to? Love. Meron din talagang strong affection eh. So, kumbaga, my loves, kung nandun pa rin talaga yung love na yon, babalik at babalik yon. But right now, you have to end it. You have to end it. You have to transform muna. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya. Kasi this relationship is fated. Trust the process. So, nandyan yung faith, justice, and trust. And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.